Hey, hello viewers. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. So my name is Rajesh Ahire and we will be moving ahead with our graphical design series. So in the today's tutorial, so we are going to design the Batman. So just look at here. So what we will be going to design. Okay. So you can see here the Batman logo. So this kind of logo we are going to design. So it has a many type of course. So we are using the lot of go to statement here. So it will be like from the one position to another position, and we are using the right angles and the left angles too. And okay, so just move ahead with that. So let's just open our editor. So I have already shared the screen, so let's just open a new file. Let's just with the name as a Batman, and let's just start it with. So we will give our name. So after that, we will be going to design the Batman logo. Okay, so first we always know the first step. So we have to import our turtle library here. So we are importing the turtle library here. So we will be deciding our background color. So we will be taken that color as a black color. So let's just take that as a black color. So moving ahead, we will be creating one variable as a bat, and we will be giving turtle dot turtle. So that bat is act as a turtle now. So let's just decide the pen size first. So we will be deciding the pen size as 4. So after that, I'll have to decide the bat color. So I am deciding that bat color. I am giving the two colors here. So just let me know why I am giving the two colors instead of one color. So I will be giving as a yellow color. So and another one is a black color. So yellow color is particularly for so you can see here now. So we are not going to design this um that circle, but we are giving this Batman logo a yellow type of curve here. So in on the edges now, so we will able to see the yellow colors. Okay, so let's just start with that. So first, you all know that we have to first begin with our function. So we have to fill that particular thing. So we are just starting with our that. So let's just start with that dot left. So we are designing from the left side. So just make that at the left. Then we are drawing one circle. So we are giving that circle as a 50 and 85. Then again we are again calling that circle function, and again we are passing 15 and 110. Okay, so one guys. Okay, so after that we are again so we are done with the circle. Then we are again giving the right angle. So that is particularly this logo has a lots of angle. So 180, so it will be anti-clockwise. So we are making that as a right angle now. So this will be the anti-clockwise. So after that, I'll have to again draw the circle. So I'm giving or I'm passing the values as 30 and 150. So I'm again giving the bad dot right as a 5 as a small angle. So after that bad dot forward. So I will be specifying that as a 10. So just let me know in the comment section, pad dot right as a 5. So do you think which of the part I am taking from this particular logo and giving the angle as a 5. Okay, so after that I'll have to do, okay, so I'm going to design its another part. So back dot right again, I'm giving that as a 90. So anti-clockwise direction, then again back dot circle. So that circle will be like minus 70 and plus 140. Then again I will forward my turtle or bat and I will make it as a 40. Then again bat dot right. So it will be like, let's take that as a 110. So I'm again going to draw the circle. So in this circle, so I'm going to mention like 130. So again I'm taking the bat and then again I'm drawing the particular circle. So that will be the 30 and 100. Okay, so now I'm giving the left angle as 50. So after that I'll have to move my bat with the forward direction. So that will draw it. So I'm making that as a 50. Okay, so you can see here, so whatever these wings now, so we are making this. Now we have to make this portion. Okay, so this last portion, so just moving ahead. So okay, so that dot right, so I'm giving that as a 145. Then the back dot forward, so I am mentioning that as a 30. Okay, then again back dot left, so I'm giving that as a 55. Then the back dot forward, so I'm giving that as a 20. Then the back dot left again, and I'm giving that as a 55. And then again back dot forward, so I am mentioning that as a 30. After that back dot right, so I am giving the right angle here and that will be particularly 145. Then the back dot forward. Okay, so that is particularly 50. Then the back dot left. So before mentioning this, I just want to check 145, 30, 55, 30, 55, 20, 55, 30, 145, 50. Okay, so I'm making the things in the right direction. So again, the 50. Okay, so this is all about that, and I'm just now going to design the whatever the lower part is remaining. So back dot circle 30, 100. So that circle, okay, 130. Back dot right. We will take that as a 110. Then back dot forward. We will be taking that as a 40. Then again back dot circle. So I am specifying again that as a minus 70 and the 140. Okay, so again I am mentioning bad dot right, so that as a 90, then the bad dot forward, so that is 10. Okay, so 30, 100, 131, 10, 40. So bad dot right as a 5, then again bad dot circle, so 30 and 150 I mentioned. So you will get this code as a little more difficult side. So just analyze this code and find whatever I'm mentioning here now. So that is for particular for which section. So this will implement your analysis analytical skills. So after some days now guys, I will make the more clear video in this particular topic. So what is this Batman logo we are designing? Na? I will make all the things clear, but right now I just want to see your analytical skills here. So bad circle. So, and now we have to end our bad dot end fill. So now our Batman logo is ready. So now we have to do bat dot hide turtle, right? And then we have to do bat dot done. Okay, so now we will be running this code. So let's just check. So now you can able to see that the whatever this is making, so it's perfectly fine. So total dot done. Yes, I have made some mistake there. Okay, but that is not a problem. Just run it once again. Now we are able to see. Okay, guys. So thank you so much